Okay, Coco. It is what it is. Let's do this. Oh my God, I'm gonna do this.
Just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hi, I'm Coco, and I'm new here, and I'm pretty sure you probably can tell because I don't know why I'm so nervous to film this video. But if you want to know how I do a successful side hustle without ever turning to social media or starting an Etsy shop, do you also want to know how I did it with a $25 gift card and my household earn? Subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell because I am going to be spilling all the tea or coffee because that's what I prefer, but you know what I mean. Check me out on Making Money Mondays where I'll be sharing items to make and sales, step-by-step tutorials, where to find cheap blanks, and much more. You're not big on selling items, but you like doing DIYs? Then stick around for We Can Do It Wednesdays, where I'll be sharing random DIYs, furniture makeovers, shop with me in hauls, and even more. Y'all, please don't judge me by this first video. I promise to try to get the nervousness under control. But just a quick disclaimer for this channel. This is not a makeup or beauty channel. Sometimes your girl is gonna be looking rough. Hell, to some I might look rough right now. It is what it is. Sometimes my hair not gonna be done, my nails not gonna be done, my makeup not gonna be done, because I'm gonna be working hard to create items to sell and to do awesome DIYs. If you can get past all the other and you're just here for those awesome DIYs and other amazing content on this channel, then subscribe and stick around. I got you. I promise. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, and I promise to bring you awesome content week by week. Check out my next video where I show you step by step how I created a successful side hustle using nothing but a $25 gift card and my household earn. See you in the next one.
Today's gonna be a good day.